Darkness covered by darkness. In the beginning was this all, an ocean without mental consciousness. Out of this, the One was born by the greatness of its energy. At some indeterminate point in time, the intuitive mind of man began to seek an understanding of the mysteries of his existence and the nature of his creator. What is this dynamic principle which, with its shining companions, wins the field, wins the sun, wins the moon, wins the waters? What is it that unites man with level widenesses of the universe, the brilliant dawns? From the vast reaches of the mind came the monotonic audition, the light of truth, perceived by Shruti. The ancient seers expressed it as the inspired word and called it Veda, the pure knowledge. I have beheld that one supreme matrix of all divine manifestations, that immutable, imperishable being by whom the eternal order of the universe is dominated. That being it is who has created this earth, so vast, so excellent. That being it is who has enshrined ambrosial wisdom in the Veda, knowledge beyond compare. The Veda, mankind's earliest book, was not written nor engraved in stone. It was preserved by an oral tradition carried from generation to generation without a single error in a death-defying vocal relay. Every syllable a hieroglyphic in sound. It was the German scholar settled in Oxford, Max Muller, who first published a text of the Rig Veda in 6 volumes, years 1849 to 1874. Very often and aptly, he used to sign his name as Mokshamula Bhatta. For years, he labored over manuscripts found on birch bark and palm leaves, collected by European scholars in Germany, France, and England. How old is the Veda? A matter of conjecture, as perpetual as the Veda itself. Being the earliest book of mankind, it enshrines the inspired beliefs of an ancient people. They had not learnt to visualize their gods in human form, nor had they acquired the art of making icons. For them, the elements were the all-powerful gods. Winds, thunder, lightning, the moon, the rushing waters, the sun. Inspired knowledge being of supreme importance to them, the ancient seers and scholars perfected a memorizing technique that brought the original text to us exactly as it was first conceived thousands of years ago. The method followed to preserve the text proved to be truly a marvel of memory. First, all euphonic combinations of words, so natural to speech, were resolved into their component syllables, padas. The main text was thus split and repeated as padapatha. The power of phonetic impact was perhaps better realized then.
Yajñam ayajanta devaha tani dharmani prathamani asanna te nakam mahimanaha sachanta yatra purve.
So, from truth vision to truth audition, drishti to shruti.
Yajñena yajñam om yajñena yajñam.
The kramapatha, in modern terms, the interlinking of syllables.
Devastani tani dharmani prathamani prathamanyasan asan nityasan.
The Jatapatha, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, and so on. Etching on the memory plate by a simple combination of two syllables.
Om yajñeno yajñam. Yajñamo yajanta yajñamo yajanta ayajanta deva o yajanta deva devastani tani devastani tani dharmani tani dharmani prathamani prathamani prathamanyasan prathamanyasan asan nityasan.
In Jatapatha, every syllable is repeated 6 times.
Deho hate deha hanakam nakam mahimano nakam mahimana mahimanas sachanta mahimanas sachanta yatra sachanta yatra purve yatra purve sadhya purve sadhya santi santi deva santi deva iti deva.
The complicated Ghanpath, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, and so on.
Yajñeno yajñamo yajanta yajñamo yajanta yajñamo yajanta deva o yajanta yajñamo yajanta deva अयजन्त देवा देवा अयजन्तायजन्त देवास्तानि तानि देवा अयजन्तायजन्त देवास्तानि देवास्तानि तानि देवा देवास्तानि धर्माणि धर्माणि तानि देवा देवास्तानि धर्माणि तानि धर्माणि धर्माणि तानि तानि धर्माणि प्रथमानि प्रथमानि धर्माणि तानि तानि धर्माणि प्रथमानि धर्माणि प्रथमानि प्रथमानि धर्माणि धर्माणि प्रथमान्यासन्नासन् प्रथमानि धर्माणि धर्माणि प्रथमान्यासन् प्रथमान्यासन्नासन् प्रथमानि प्रथमान्यासन् आसन्नित्यासन् तेह हते ते हनाकन्नाकं हते ते हनाकम्
Here, every syllable is repeated 10 times, a rhythmic proof checking to make sure there is no mistake.
नाकं महिमानो महिमानो नाकन्नाकं महिमानः सचन्त सचन्त महिमानो नाकन्नाकं महिमानः सचन्तान् महिमानः सचन्त सचन्त
There is no mistake. There cannot be. The method is foolproof. It is the word sound engraved on the mental plate, a marvel of memory.
पूर्वे यत्र सचन्त सचन्त यत्र पूर्वे पूर्वे यत्र यत्र पूर्वे साध्याः साध्याः पूर्वे यत्र यत्र पूर्वे साध्याः पूर्वे साध्याः साध्याः पूर्वे पूर्वे साध्याः सन्ति सन्ति साध्याः पूर्वे पूर्वे साध्याः सन्ति साध्याः सन्ति सन्ति साध्याः साध्याः सन्ति देवा देवाः सन्ति साध्याः साध्याः सन्ति देवाः सन्ति देवा देवाः सन्ति सन्ति देवाः देवा इति देवाः
Ashtavikritis, 8 sound pattern exercises to train the memory. Weave, interweave, counterweave. Draw straight lines, triangles, trace, retrace. Geometrical figures in sound which baffle an ordinary listener but which leave an indelible imprint on the mind of the student. No dust can ever gather on the shelves of memory so trained. Thanks to the ingenuity of our ancestors, the text of the earliest book of mankind is still with us, exactly as it was revealed thousands of years ago. The 4 Vedas, Rig, Sama, Yajur, Atharva. Thousands of litanies, hymns, prayers, benedictions, millions of words, every word in its place, not a syllable missing. Knowledge so ancient it is not easy to fix the time of its origin or its true import. Like the ripple that begins from the middle of nowhere, like the wave that rises from distant, unknown waters and beats on our shores with surging reality. Still with us, urging us to discover the one light in profound darkness that stirred the minds of our ancestors.